Did you know that credit cards, when used strategically, can become one of your most powerful financial tools? Imagine earning free flights, cash back on everyday purchases, and even luxury perks, all without going into debt. In this video, I'm revealing the most advanced credit card hacks that savvy users leverage to maximize their rewards, earn free travel, and optimize their cash back. We'll cover maximizing sign-up bonuses, stacking multiple reward systems, leveraging business credit, and legally avoiding interest while maximizing benefits. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to make your credit cards work for you, not the other way around. And at the end, I'll share a little-known technique that top-tier credit card users use to earn tens of thousands of dollars in rewards every year. Alright, let's be real. Not all credit cards are created equal. You've got your basic cashback cards, travel rewards cards, cards with rotating categories, and even cards specifically designed for businesses. First things first, you need to understand the different types of credit cards out there. General-purpose rewards cards give you a small percentage back on everything, but you could be earning way more with a card tailored to your specific spending habits. That's where category-specific cards come in. Some cards give you a whopping 5% back on groceries, while others offer insane rewards on dining or travel. The key is to analyze your spending habits and find cards that align with your lifestyle. Now here's where it gets interesting, the multi-card approach. By having multiple credit cards, you can optimize different spending categories. Using multiple cards responsibly can actually boost your credit score. By spreading out your spending across multiple cards, you keep your utilization low, which makes you look good in the eyes of lenders. Some cards come with annual fees, some don't. Evaluate beyond the flashy sign-up bonus. For jet setters, pay close attention to foreign transaction fees. Look for cards that waive these fees. Premium cards often come with hidden perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and purchase protection. Let's talk about the bread and butter of the credit card game sign-up bonuses. These bonuses are like free money, just for using your credit card responsibly. Credit card companies offer these juicy sign-up bonuses to attract new customers, but you usually have to meet a minimum spend requirement within a certain time frame. The key is to work smarter, not harder. One strategy is called credit card churning. Open a card, meet the minimum spend, then downgrade or cancel before the annual fee hits. Another tip is to use manufactured spending techniques. Use your credit card for regular expenses like groceries, gas, or bills. Platforms like PayPal, Venmo, or Plastic can help. Buy gift cards for stores you frequently shop at. Use these gift cards for your regular purchases. Business credit cards have higher minimum spend requirements, but larger bonuses. Use business expenses to meet these requirements. Don't open too many cards at once. Space out your applications and meet spending requirements without going into debt. Mastering sign-up bonuses can earn you hundreds, even thousands in rewards each year. Let's talk about everyone's favorite financial friend, Cashback. It's like getting paid to spend money. First, you've got your flat-rate cashback cards, which give you a consistent percentage back on all your purchases. Then, there are category-based rewards cards that offer higher cashback rates on specific spending categories. These cards are where the real cashback magic happens. We're talking 3%, 4%, even 5% back on things like groceries, dining, gas, and even online shopping. Imagine this. You're at the grocery store, loading up your cart with enough food to feed a small army. You swipe your credit card and boom, you just earned 4% cash back on your entire purchase. But wait, there's more. You can actually stack cashback and discounts. Use your credit card with the highest cashback rate for that specific category, and then combine it with coupons, promo codes, or even store loyalty programs. Speaking of online shopping, did you know that there are websites and browser extensions dedicated to helping you maximize your cashback? These platforms partner with thousands of online retailers and offer cashback rewards for shopping through their portals. Remember, cashback is not just free money. It's a powerful tool that can help you save money, reach your financial goals, and even treat yourself to something nice every now and then. Chapter 4. Optimizing points and miles for free travel. Let's talk travel hacking. Because who wants to pay full price for flights and hotels when you can travel the world for a fraction of the cost? This is where points and miles come in. Think of points and miles like a secret currency that can unlock incredible travel experiences. First, you need to understand the difference between points and miles. Generally, airline miles are tied to a specific airline, while transferable points, like those offered by Chase Ultimate Rewards, Amex Membership Rewards, and Citi Thank You Points, offer more flexibility. You can transfer them to a variety of airline and hotel partners, giving you more options for booking your dream trip. Co-branded airline cards can be tempting with their perks and bonus miles, but they often lock you into using a specific airline. That's why transferable points are like the Swiss Army knife of travel rewards. You can use them for flights, hotels, rental cars, and even experiences. Plus, you're not limited to a single airline or hotel chain, giving you the freedom to book the best deals and create your own travel adventure. The key is to maximize your everyday spending. Use your credit card for everything from groceries and gas to online purchases and utility bills. With a little planning and strategic credit card usage, you can turn those everyday purchases into unforgettable travel experiences. Chapter 5. Using business credit to supercharge your rewards. Let's talk about a game changer in the world of credit card rewards: business credit cards. If you're serious about maximizing your rewards and taking your travel hacking to the next level, business credit cards are an absolute must-have. You don't need to be a Fortune 500 company to reap the benefits of business credit. Many business credit cards are designed specifically for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small business owners. Business credit cards typically come with higher spending limits, which is crucial for maximizing those lucrative sign-up bonuses. Business credit utilization doesn't impact your personal credit scores. Applying for a business credit card is easier than you might think. You can apply as a sole proprietor, using your social security number, and still enjoy the perks of business credit. Using a business credit card for your business expenses just makes good financial sense. Chapter 6. Paying bills and rent with credit cards. Let's talk about a clever way to supercharge your rewards even further: paying your bills and rent with a credit card. Traditionally, paying rent and bills with a credit card hasn't been the easiest option. But there are now third-party services that act as a middleman, allowing you to pay those bills with a credit card and earn rewards on expenses you'd be paying anyway. Services like Plastic, Built, and even some credit card issuers themselves offer programs that allow you to pay rent, utilities, and even taxes with a credit card. These services often come with a small processing fee, typically around 2 to 3%. You can offset those fees with cashback and rewards. Some government agencies actually accept credit card payments directly without any processing fees. So you can potentially pay your taxes, renew your passport, or even pay for parking tickets with a credit card and earn rewards without any extra cost. Chapter 7. Advanced credit card hacks for maximum benefits. Let's dive into the advanced strategies that will help you squeeze every last drop of value out of your credit cards. First up, let's talk about strategic card downgrades and upgrades. Downgrading your card to a no annual fee version allows you to keep the account open, preserving your credit history without having to pay an annual fee. Next, let's talk about 0% APR and balance transfers. Some credit cards offer promotional periods of 0% APR, meaning you won't accrue any interest on purchases or balance transfers for a certain amount of time. By transferring your balance to a card with a 0% APR offer, you can give yourself some breathing room to pay down that debt without accruing additional interest charges. Many credit card issuers offer referral bonuses when you recommend their card to friends and family. Spread the credit card love and earn some extra rewards in the process. Chapter 8. Protecting your credit score while maximizing rewards. Let's talk about something super important: protecting your credit score. Every time you apply for a new credit card, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report. Space out your credit card applications. Aim for no more than 1 or 2 new cards per year. And make sure you can comfortably meet the minimum spend requirements without going into debt. Keep your credit utilization low. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization below 30%, but ideally, you want to aim for even lower than that. The longer you've had a credit card open, the better it is for your credit score. If you do decide to close a credit card account, do it strategically. Outrow, unlock your financial freedom. So there you have it, guys. Credit cards can be your best financial tool when used correctly. From cashback stacking to travel hacking, these strategies will help you unlock massive rewards and live a more financially rewarding life. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite credit card hack. Are you a cashback king or queen? Or maybe you're a travel hacking ninja? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money maximizing strategies. And remember, smart credit card usage is about strategy, not debt. Use these hacks wisely and let your money work for you.